Today on the OMI Show, Tissue Paper Suncatcher. It's the OMI Show! Hi, I'm OMI and welcome back to the OMI Show. If you're new to my channel, subscribe. And don't forget to click that like button. Today we're going to make tissue paper suncatchers to honor our vets on Veterans Day. You will need black cardstock, red, white, and blue tissue paper, contact paper, scissors, glue, pencil, and ribbon. Okay, let's get started. Step 1. Make a cutout of the shape you want your suncatcher to be. I made a heart and a star. Make sure you cut out 2 of whatever design you choose. Step 2. Cut the tissue paper into small squares. Step 3. Cut out a piece of contact paper the size of your cutout. Make sure you cut out 2, one for the bottom and one for the top. Step 4. Lay the contact paper sticky side up and push your cutout on top. Make sure you press it down so you know it won't move. Step 5. Use the tissue paper to cover the inside of the cutout. It's okay if it goes over the cutout, because you're gonna cut it anyway. Then add a little glue to the edges. And put on the second cutout on top. Step 6. Then use the second piece of contact paper to cover up the whole design. It should look something like this before you cut it out. Step 8. Cut it out. It should look like this when you're finished. Optional. Glue or tape some ribbon on the back. Or add some ribbon on the top so you can hang it. That's it, you're done. Did you know Veterans Day is a United States federal holiday to honor American vets of all wars? It gives U.S. citizens an opportunity to show gratitude for the sacrifices they made to protect their freedom. Veterans Day is celebrated November 11th annually. Okay, now you know, let's get back to the crafts. Use tape to hang it up in the window or a hook for your door. Don't they look cute? I hope you enjoyed making this craft. If you like it, click that like button. If you do it, tag my Instagram. And you haven't subscribed, do that too. Don't forget to think of that. for your service. See you in the next video.